Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport suspension noise and outlines commonly documented reasons why unusual sounds may come from the suspension area during driving. Suspension noise in the EcoSport can present as knocking, clunking, squeaking, or rattling sounds and may occur while driving over bumps, uneven roads, speed breakers, or during steering movements. This topic is discussed in a general context because suspension behavior and wear patterns can vary depending on model year, road conditions, mileage, and maintenance history. In documented cases across multiple EcoSport model years, suspension noise may indicate normal wear in suspension components that are designed to absorb road impact and movement. Certain components are exposed to continuous stress, vibration, and road debris, which can contribute to noise over time. In some situations, suspension noise could be related to looseness, wear, or reduced damping effectiveness. Older vehicles or vehicles frequently driven on rough roads may experience these conditions earlier, while newer models could still develop noise depending on usage and environment. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. From a general maintenance perspective, addressing suspension noise often involves inspection rather than assuming a single cause. Some situations may only require tightening or adjustment, while others could involve component replacement based on confirmed wear. Suspension-related noise does not always indicate an immediate safety risk, but persistent or worsening sounds should not be ignored, especially if they are accompanied by changes in ride quality, handling, or steering response. Overall, suspension noise in the Ford EcoSport can have multiple explanations depending on vehicle age, driving conditions, and maintenance history. Each case should be evaluated individually to determine whether the noise reflects normal wear or a condition that requires attention. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.